What's up, Jersey Jeff Eats foodies? I am here in beautiful Atlantic City in the University District. There's an empanada competition going on over at the O'Donnell Park, and I'm gonna check it out. I think they have some free samples there, and I'm a sucker for free samples, and I'm a sucker for empanadas as well. So come along with me. Let's see what it's all about. Today I'm heading towards O'Donnell Memorial Park here in the University District for the 6th Annual Empanada Fiesta competition. It's one of Atlantic City's tastiest and most colorful community events. If you love great food, local culture, and family-friendly vibes, this one's right up your alley. And although it's the 6th annual one, this is the first time I'm checking it out. Now before we dive into the empanada madness, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. That really helps the channel grow and helps keep bringing more great Jersey Eats to this channel, Jersey Jeff Eats. I really do appreciate your support, guys. If you'd like to help support the channel, then click on that super thanks button right underneath the video. Doing so not only will help support the channel, but it'll get you a shout out on a future Jersey Jeff Eats video. And hey, if you haven't already, check out my other YouTube channels, New York, where I cover big city stuff, especially Atlantic City, and other hidden gems around the country, as well as the Jersey Shore Jeff. It's a brand new channel where I take you up and down the boardwalks, beaches, and shore towns from Sandy Hook down to Cape May. Now, let me paint a picture for you. It's a perfect October afternoon. Blue skies, crisp air, and O'Donnell Park buzzing with music, dancing, and the smell of fresh empanadas frying. You've got families with kids running around, live bands playing everything from salsa to bachata, and rows of food tents serving up empanadas from all over Latin America, Colombia, Honduras, Mexico, Peru, and the Dominican Republic. The Chelsea Economic Development Corporation and the El Pueblo Unido of Atlantic City really know how to throw a community event, and this year's turnout was record-breaking. Over 400 people came out to celebrate, and of course, I was one of them. We're in the southern end of the park right now where it's nice and quiet, but as we head north, you'll start seeing more and more people and a lot more activity. So a little backstory, the Empanada Fiesta, which is where we are right now, is held in October. It's the grand finale of the Best Empanada Challenge, which is a month-long challenge in September. Locals and visitors spend the whole month of September visiting participating restaurants, tasting empanadas, and voting for their favorites.
Welcome to our 6th Annual Empanada Challenge. We will be doing the contest very soon. So we have some community resources. We have some free face painting in the back by Heather Art. We also have Rudy, free balloon art for children. We have some games. Some community resources are here as well. But most importantly today, we have 6 amazing local restaurants from the Chelsea neighborhood competing and vying for the title of the 2025 Best Empanada. Let's hear that. Let's give a big round of applause for all of our restaurants. Come on. I know we're just getting started, pero un fuerte aplauso para todos estos restaurantes que se ubican acá en el vecindario de Chelsea. Estamos muy orgullosos de ellos por ser negocios latinos, pequeños restaurantes que están aquí ubicados en nuestro vecindario. Entonces, un fuerte aplauso nuevamente para los 6 restaurantes que hoy están compitiendo. Tenemos a la Boom Supermarket en la parte de atrás. Un fuerte aplauso para Boom.
Now, one of the things I love about this event is it's not just about the food, it's about community pride. It all started back in 2020 during the pandemic as a way to support Chelsea's local restaurants, small family-run places that bring so much life and flavor to Atlantic City. And it's pretty much grown into a full-blown celebration of diversity, resilience, and culture. This year's finalists, which are all here today, include Sabor Latino, Queen's Pizza Palace, Boom Food, El Patrón Restaurant and Bar, Rincón Catracho, and Machu Picchu Peruvian Cuisine. And of course, I'm going to try as many as possible. Again, it's all free today.
We're welcoming back. Vamos a darle la bienvenida nuevamente a la competencia. Representando a Honduras, Rincón Catracho. Un fuerte aplauso. We have Rincón Catracho, who is coming back and joining the challenge, we are going to just be a couple minutes away from celebrating and getting the contest started. So just couple house announcements for everybody, okay? At 1:30, we're going to begin with the judging. So we have some judges. We're going to get to know them in a little bit. A la 1:30 vamos a empezar con la parte del contest con todos los jueces. Once the judges have been served, once all the judges have been served, then we are going to open up all the restaurants to the general public. So if you're just arriving to the park, don't leave yet, because the best is yet to come. The free sampling from all the restaurants will happen around 1:30 after the judges have been served, okay? So un recordatorio a todos, a la 1:30 vamos a dar inicio con la parte de la competencia con todos los jueces. Después que todos los jueces ya hayan sido servidos, entonces vamos a abrir.
Again, many restaurants were in the competition, but today it's all about the 6 finalists, which the judges will decide who is the winner. And while there's a best empanada overall winner, there's also categories like best filling, best crust, best presentation, and so on.
Latin American business joining the Chelsea neighborhood, and Sabor de mi Tierra representing Salvador. They have
People waited in long lines, chatted in English and Spanish, trading recommendations, try Sabor Latino next, or don't miss Machu Picchu. It felt like one big neighborhood block party, and in true Jersey Jeff Eat style, nobody left here hungry. We're at the northern end of the park, that's Stockton University across the street. Also across the street, the Birdcage, a popular LGBTQ nightclub. Someday I'll stop in there and bring you guys along with me, and forgive me if I didn't get all those letters correct. This fiesta goes beyond the plate. You had artisans selling homemade crafts, local nonprofits sharing resources, and kids zones with free activities, face painting, art tables, and games. One of those events that shows how food can bring people together no matter where you're from. Hang in there, guys, we're just getting started. I've got a lot of eating to do. And we're also going to meet the judges.
Bueno, mi gente, nos vamos ahora para el Caribe, uno de los fallecimientos más tristes de este año, pero seguimos con su música, escucha.
By the way, O'Donnell Memorial Park is one of my favorite parks here in town. I've done quite a few videos from here. It's beautiful all year round. Hey, while we're waiting for the judging to begin, I'll take you across the street and show you the Birdcage. It's not open right now, but again, someday I'll visit it and I'll take you guys along with me. Let's go check it out regardless if it's closed or open. The Birdcage hasn't been open too long, and it's become wildly popular in town. It's not just a nice lounge, but it's also a great place to eat, and they also have good entertainment, and there's always something going on here, at least when it's open. They have good parking, there's eating outside during, well, weather permitting, and it's also 2 levels. There's a food truck here at the park. I don't know how much business they're going to do today, considering there's about to be a whole bunch of free empanadas any moment now. One thing I will say is that there's a new permit in town that's going to allow about 10 to a dozen food trucks here at the park on a permanent basis, and that's something I'm really looking forward to. And once the food trucks start showing up, maybe I'll do a video here as well on the food trucks here at the park. And that, of course, will be on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. The judges are starting to take their place. They get served first, and once they're done judging the empanadas, well, everything opens up and it becomes a free-for-all here in the park. And the lines become incredibly long, and I'm going to try as many empanadas as I can, and you'll taste them along with me. Well, at least visually you will.
First, I think we're all here, so Chelsea crew, you give me that thumbs up. I think all of our judges are here. I think everyone's here ready to go. Okay, Bert Lopez, Mr. Bert Lopez. Empanada Challenge Competition! Come on, you guys could do better than that. Let me hear it one more time! All right, I love that energy, I love it. We have 6 amazing restaurants that are competing and vying for the title of 2025, this year's Empanada Challenge. Emma and Ileana, if you guys can start getting ready. In just a couple minutes, we're gonna get to know them a little bit more. We're gonna get to know them so you guys can tell who our celebrity judges are here today. All right, we're gonna start down at this end.
Buenos días a todos. Are you having fun?
Yes.
So this is an important part of his...
And this isn't just a casual food fest. We've got some serious judges on hand. Local heavy hitters like Stockton University President Joe Bertolino, Bert Lopez from Latino Motion, and Maria Fernandez from Sophia's Hair Design, all here to decide who's got the best crust, the best filling, and the best overall taste. There's something about watching chefs and judges taste empanadas under the trees at O'Donnell Park while the crowd cheers. It feels like Atlantic City meets Latin America meets County Fair.
Nos van a ayudar a escoger la mejor crust, el mejor relleno, la mejor presentación y la mejor taste overall, la mejor prueba, okay? Been here, Cookie, I think you've been joining us. This is the 6th year that you're one of our judges. Cookie, tell us why you love to be a judge, and this is your 6th year.
And it's better. So every year we improve, every year we just get better and better, and more people come, so.
Absolutely. Thank you, Cookie.
Y la verdad es que me gusta mi empanada, me gusta apoyar a los...
And this is actually my first time trying empanadas. We're better to do it than right here.
That's right, President Joe. Right here in the Chelsea neighborhood of Atlantic City. We also have a local business owner right here, Mencia's Barbershop, Olman Mencia, who's also a returning judge. Olman, dinos por qué te encanta venir cada año a apoyar este tipo de evento.
Primero que nada, les quiero dar las gracias a ustedes por haberme invitado nuevamente. Cada año, como les he dicho a varios, está creciendo.
So many fantastic restaurants to choose from, and I want to thank Chelsea EDC and our Pueblo for always hosting this event every year, bringing recognition to all the great small businesses here in Atlantic City. So I'm really looking forward to this. Having eaten at some of these restaurants in the past, I know I'm in for a really treat because they have some great, fantastic food. So thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here.
All right, we appreciate you. Big round of applause for all of our judges. Nuevamente un fuerte aplauso para todos nuestros jueces. So at this time, all of the judges, you should be getting 6 different types of empanadas. Una para empezar a entrar y una para salir. Again, please, all the restaurants have...
So there are 6 finalists here at the Empanada Fiesta here in Atlantic City. I got to try 4 of the restaurants. This one here, the first one that I'm trying, is Boom Food Market. Most of these restaurants gave you a choice of beef or chicken empanadas. I always chose the beef while I was here, just so I could compare apples to apples, or, well, empanadas to empanadas. Most of the restaurants also served a side of salsa or some kind of a sauce for the empanadas. I got the green salsa from the Boom Food Market. I quickly learned that as soon as you get your empanada, to get online for another restaurant's empanada and enjoy your empanada in your hand while you're online, because if you don't do that, you're going to be wasting time and you're only going to get to go to 1 or 2 of these restaurants. The lines were quite long. So I enjoyed my Boom Food Market empanada while I was waiting online for the Machu Picchu empanada. I think I actually enjoyed the Machu Picchu empanada a little bit more than the Boom Food Market empanada, but what was missing from Machu Picchu was some kind of a salsa, but they did serve it with a lime, which actually made it a little bit refreshing. The dough or pastry on this one was really nice and flaky and buttery. However, it could have been stuffed with a little bit more beef. Okay, let me get on my next line while I'm enjoying this one. Next up is going to be the Queen's Pizza Palace empanada.
Again, please make sure that you are keeping in mind best crust, best filling, best presentation, and best taste overall. So at this time, we are asking everybody to, this is the tasting time, open up each restaurant to have a line. We have 6 different restaurant days and enjoying some empanadas. Of course, if you want some additional food, we also have El Sabor de mi Tierra here today, who's also being a judge here at the Empanada contest. Tell us about best taste overall so far. Give us some numbers. What are you thinking here, Chief?
One thing I noticed about the first 2 empanadas was there wasn't that much filling inside. This one's different. It's loaded with lots of spicy beef. And while I'm enjoying this one, I'm in line for my next one. It's going to be the El Patrón Restaurant.
Hands together! All right, I like that energy. All right, good job. I guess continue to eat more empanadas, please. This is working. We're doing really good here. All right, Chelsea team, we want to continue.
This is a great day for this. It's not hot out. It's just perfect. A lot of people showed up. The food is good. The food is free, I might add. And it's just a perfect afternoon here in Atlantic City. I'm really enjoying this event, and I'm sure I'll be back next year as well.
No pasó mucho tiempo para que tuviéramos un cuarto, me siento confundido y yo decidí no viene toda la semana, pero cuando viene en sábana, oye, y ni sale en el cuello. Soy un princeso, ay, soy un princeso, ay, soy un princeso.
Now this empanada looks truly different than all the others. It looks really good. It's got a nice flaky buttery crust on it. It's got some cheese on top, some queso blanco sprinkled across the top, and a nice salsa verde. They really did the plate up nice. I'm dying to taste it. And it's got lots and lots of spicy beef filling as well. This one was definitely my favorite.
Este es un tema que estamos promocionando. Este tema lo acabamos de soltar la semana pasada. Tenemos como 25,000 views en YouTube. Se lo voy a entrenar aquí a toda esta gente que está aquí bonita. Dice.
So in case you're wondering, Sabor Latino took home the public vote, which took place in September, while Queen's Pizza Palace snagged the judge's overall title today. Me, I really enjoyed my last one from El Patrón, so it just goes to show you there's an empanada for everyone here. I had a great time here, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, give the video a thumbs up, and share it on your social media. I really do appreciate it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Look at